Over the last few years, short-form content has taken off on all platforms, including YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and even Facebook. Facebook! That means it is now more important than ever to know how to make a short the right way. So today, I'm going to show you a 6-step method to making amazing short-form content. Let's go. First is the idea. A good idea will make the viewer feel like they really gain something out of watching the video. You don't want to waste your viewers' time. The idea should also fit your channel niche. So if you're all about clothing and you make a cooking video, then somebody might like cooking and they'll subscribe to you for that. But then they'll go to your channel and be like, what, this is a clothing channel. Then they won't like it. Research is secondary. After you have a good idea, you need to research everything you can about that idea so that way you can give them the best education in the shortest amount of time. Because if you're uneducated in the topic you chose, then how can you teach anybody about it? Okay, now that you have your idea and you did the research, next let's write a script. Now you might be saying, Michael, well, I know about this topic now, so I'll just flow. Please don't do that. That's an awful idea. Because when you write a script, you can make sure every word is meaningful. You don't want to just ramble on about something that's not that important. You want it to be completely information and nothing that's just there to fill time. You do not want to fill time with shorts. Shorts need to be bam, 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 bam. Also, when you write a script, you can plan out the loop. You are looping your videos, right? Okay, we're getting halfway there. We're now on to step 4, which is filming. Filming, if done right, will make the next step, editing, a breeze. So make sure when you're filming, you actually stick to that script. I mean, if you like change a word here or there, that's not gonna make a big difference. Also, when filming, make sure to do your loop. The beginning of the video could be, you don't need a camera, and that's the hook, right? You don't need a camera is the hook, okay? At the end, you could say, and this proves you don't need a camera, and then it loops back to the beginning where you say you don't need a camera. Loops are really cool way to keep the audience engaged because you'll keep getting views. I mean, like, if they don't realize it's looping and they keep watching it, more views. Another important thing for audience retention when filming is voice fluctuations. It's really boring to listen to someone talking like this for even like 5 seconds. Today, I'm gonna be showing you why this book is epic. This is such a good book, I love it. See how that's not really engaging, but if you go, today I'm gonna be showing you why this book is amazing and I absolutely love it. But you wanna be enthusiastic without being super duper fast. You don't wanna be like rapping, okay? Don't do that. You wanna talk enthusiastically but not fast. And that might take some getting used to, but eventually you'll get it and it'll just flow out of you. Another thing you can do to make your editing easier is when you mess up, instead of just going, because you're forgetting what you're saying, just pause, recalibrate your mind, and try again. Because that pause when you're editing will help you better recognize, okay, I messed up, so I can cut this spot, and then I'll help make it better for jump cutting. So don't just go, until you realize what you're saying. Get comfortable with pausing. Then you can cut it off later, and that'll make your job so much easier. Editing truly is an art. No, but like seriously, editing is such an art. You will not be perfect at editing overnight. It will take some time to get better at this. I promise you. It's not gonna be instant, but that's okay. Do your very best at the beginning, and every time you make a video, improve something. It's important to keep in mind to use things like B-roll, music, and cutting in on your face to make the video even more exciting. Because just staring at the same shot for a minute will get tiring on the eyes. You need to give them something new to look at, and that'll keep them engaged. A good pacing is the amount of time you're on each shot. A good pacing can be 3 to 5 seconds. A little shorter or a little longer isn't necessarily bad, especially if it's longer. Make sure whatever you're staying on for that long is like really interesting. So if it's like a super interesting shot they're looking at, you can stay on it for 6 or 7 seconds. Also, something you must do, like I will find you if you do not do this, use captions. So many people watch short form content on silent because they're in a public area, they don't have headphones, maybe they're at a family gathering and they're bored. So use captions. It's so simple to do, but you can relate with so much more of the audience. So make sure to use captions, please. And the final thing, guys, we're almost there. This is the last step, and it's pretty simple. It's very important, but it's simple. And that is uploading. So you've done all of this work, but if you upload this video wrong, it'll all be for nothing. One of the most important things to remember when uploading a short, especially to YouTube, is hashtags. The algorithm will know to put that video in front of people that have had good interactions with those hashtags. Another important thing is I know YouTube, I'm not sure about the other platforms, but I know on YouTube you can select the frame of your video to be the quote-unquote thumbnail. Make sure you select an interesting one because 99.9999% of your views will come from shorts, the shorts feed, but it takes a couple extra seconds. You get an extra 10 views, which could be super helpful if you just make it an interesting photo. And that is going to be it for this video, guys. Click here to see some of the best phone apps to help you create these amazing shorts, for free by the way, and I'll see you there.